In this video, we are going to start our next topic, that is operation on sets. Okay, there are various type of operations on set. So we are going to start with this topic, operation on set. Operation on sets. Okay, this is the next topic in the chapter sets. In this topic, under this topic, we will study some few subtopics, that is a union of set. How to write union of sets, then intersection of sets, intersection intersection of sets. Then we are going to start with then our next topic will be, and our next subtopic will be difference of set, difference of sets. Okay, these are the subtopic that we are going to see under operations on sets. So we will start our first subtopic, that is union of sets. We will start union of sets. So what is union of set? Now this is our first operation on set. This is the first topic under operation on sets, which is union of set. Now let's we will start with example, so that you get a brief understanding on this topic. So example is the best way to understand this union of sets. So union of sets, let set A have some element. Okay, A has 5 natural numbers, 1 2 3 4 5. B has other natural numbers. Okay, so B has element 3 4 6 7 8. A has element 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, these are the two sets given to you, and if we consider the universal set, so I can consider the universal set. Let's say these are the this is the universal set. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, 10 natural numbers are there in the universal set, and A has 5 natural number, B has 5 natural number, and there are some common element. Okay, there are some common element. So you can see 3 and 4 are the common element between A and B. Now we are studying union of set. So union of set means a set that has both the that has elements of both the set. Okay, a set that has elements of both the set. Suppose we are going to write union of A and B. Union of A and B. We are going to write this union of A and B. So union of A and B is a set that has element of A and element of B. Okay, this is the meaning of union. Okay, so let's say suppose there are three sets. So union of those three set will have all the element of those three sets. Okay, so union of any number of set will have all the element of any number of set given, any number of given set. So that is the meaning of union of any two or more set. So we use a symbol for union. So A union B. Okay, it is the similar you can say similar to U, but it is not U. It is something like this. This is the symbol union. Okay, so this is union. So union of set A and B will have all the elements of A as well as B. So all the elements of A and B, and do not repeat the elements. Okay, in set we are not repeating the elements. So what are the elements? A has 1 2 3 4 5, and don't write 3 4 again. 3 4, it is already, I have written 3 and 4. Okay, so do not write 3 and 4. What are the remaining? 6 7 8. So this is A union B, this is A union B. Okay, so A union B will have all the elements of A and B, that is A union B. दैट मीन्स इसको हम लोग ऐसे में समझ सकते हैं कि दो सेट को कंबाइन करके जो सेट मिल रहा है मेरे को, वो है यूनियन. ओके, वी आर कंबाइनिंग टू सेट, वी आर मेकिंग ए सेट दैट हैज एलिमेंट ऑफ बोथ ए एंड बी. So this is basically union. So so next we will draw Venn diagram for union. So we will draw Venn diagram for A and B. Then we will then I will show you the region of A union B. So let's say this is the universal set. This is the universal set, and this is set A. This is set B. Okay. What are the common element? Common element are 3 and 4. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So in the previous video I have shown you how to make the Venn diagram. First I have written the common elements here. Then this is the region of A. So what are the remaining element of A apart from 3 and 4, which are 1, 2 and 3. So I have written in this region because those are not common. These are not common but belong to A. So in the region of A. Similarly, this is the region of B. So here are the common elements. Then remaining are 6, 7 and 8. So here are the 6, 7 and 8. Okay. So this is the region of A and this is the region of B. So and this is universal set. So there are some remaining elements from universal set which are 9 and 10. So those two elements will be outside this region 9 and 10. Okay, outside the region of A and B. Now see what are the elements A union B has. A union B has element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So these are the element A union B has. Now check the region in which these element have. Okay, now this is the region. Basically this is the region. This entire is the region of A union B. See what are the elements of A union B up to from 1 to 8. Okay, now see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 means in this region whatever the elements are there, those elements belong to A union B. Okay, in this region whatever the elements are there, those are belongs to A union B. So that means this is the region for A union B. This is the region for A union B. Let me shade it. So this is the region for A union B. This is the complete region for A union B. Okay, so I can remove the elements and I can just simply shade that, because every time how many set there can be any number of set, we have to shade the region. We need only the region. Okay, elements are to just to understand, to make you understand. Okay, elements are just to make you understand that which region belong to A union B. So basically this entire region, this region belong to A union B. So this region belong to A union B. This region belong to A union B. Now next we'll move on to our next, that is intersection of set. Next subtopic, intersection of set. Intersection of sets. What is intersection of set? This is our next topic. Intersection of set. Now how to write intersection of set? So intersection means common. Okay, now we will work on this same example. We will consider same example. Okay, universal set and these two set. Now what is intersection of set A and B? Intersection of sets A and B. Intersection of sets A and B, it means A intersection B. Okay, this is the symbol for intersection. This is a symbol for intersection. So it is basically inverted U. Okay, this is a symbol for intersection. So A intersection B means the common element A and B has. Okay, what are the common element A and B has? So it is a collection of set of element. No, it is a collection of elements which are common between A and B. Okay, so what are the elements? What are the elements that are common between A and B? That is 3 and 4. That is 3 and 4. Okay, so basically it will be 3, 4. So union means So union means a combination of A and B. Union means a combination of A and B. Means a set that has all the elements of A and B. That means union. And what is the intersection of A and B? Intersection of A and B means what are the common elements that A and B has. Okay. Now this is the meaning of intersection. Now we have to draw a Venn diagram for the intersection also. Now this is set A, this is set B. And this is A, B. So I have drawn this earlier. Now see, intersection has element 3 and 4. Okay, now which region has 3 and 4? This is the region that has the element 3 and 4. Now for intersection, so basically whatever, whenever you say intersection of two set, so only the overlapping part will be the intersection region. Okay, only the overlapping part between two circle or two set will be the region for intersection. So I can remove this and I can simply say that this is the region, for intersection A and B. Okay, A intersection B. This is the region for A intersection B, and this is the region for, A union B, and this is the region for A intersection B. This is how we show the regions for A union B or A intersection B. Okay. Next, we'll move on to difference of sets.